Hi there, welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we are having a complementary meal for the baby at 10 months. And we will use raw bananas as a carbohydrate and boiled beans as a protein part of the meal. We also need carrots, pumpkin leaves, tomatoes, onion, capsicum, oil for energy, and salt to taste, and it's also a micronutrient. Now we're ready to prepare our meal. We're starting preparations. We chop the bananas and make sure that the beans are well boiled and soft. Then we chop the pumpkin leaves and the tomatoes. We also chop the onions and the capsicum. And grate your carrots if you love carrots. Babies love colored food. There, you see how colored it is? Wow. Okay, so now we're ready to cook. Put in oil in the heated pan and start with the onions to fry them. You see, then we can add in our carrots that are grated and stir a little bit, yes. And then we can now add in our tomatoes. You may chop small pieces of tomatoes or you can just blend it. It's all about preference. And then we add in the boiled beans and cook in. Just stir and ensure that it's well cooked. Before we complete this part, we'll add in the capsicum and the salt. It looks lovely already. Then we cover our food. See, after about 3 minutes, you can see it's very cooked. And we cook on moderate heat. You just ensure that everything is cooked, and then now we add in the green bananas or the raw bananas. Stir in nicely and then ensure it doesn't stick. If it's sticking, add in some water. Add it to water, not so much, but just to give stew at the same level of the food so that it's not too watery or again burning. Cover it up for 5 minutes. Remember, the babies need a well-balanced meal. That's why you see we have the carbohydrates, we have the plant proteins, and again you have vegetables. And you have a variety. And besides adding the pumpkin leaves, remember we have the tomatoes, which are also vegetables. And we have oil, which is good for energy. So cover it again and let it cook for another 3 minutes. Now it's time to mash. Serve about 180 ml of food. Mash with a wooden spoon because we need bigger lumps for the baby. The baby can now digest bigger. The baby can now chew and swallow bigger lumps. And when you'll serve, remember the child only takes 125 ml. So you'll serve in amounts of 50 ml until the baby completes that amount before you add the next 50 or 75 ml. Remember to serve with the fruit and clean drinking water. We have an extra spoon for the caregiver to taste and put aside. Feed the baby with the remaining colored spoon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.